Good there, folks. Steve Elmy here from Rackstacker. I'm pretty sure I can speak for all of us when I say that we're pretty well sick and tired of winter. I can't remember when the last time I snowmobiled almost the weekend of March break. The ultimate weather has put a dampen on not only our spirits, but as well as the wildlife population has taken a big hit this winter. From what I hear, the weather this year has been the worst in 35 years. You know, it might even be middle of June before I plant. And 2 years ago, March break, I was shoveling gravel in my driveway at 22 degrees. I even got sunburned on March weekend. A few weeks back, I did a trivia on the old Ski-Doo. The snowmobile was actually designed for multiple passenger use back in the 40s. But the actual Ski-Doo itself was designed in 1959 by the gentleman by the name of Joseph Bombardier out of Quebec. The snowmobile, there's multiple different styles of snow machines. This is a Citation. I've also got an Olympic. It's referred to as skidooing, but it was a typo from a brochure when it was first invented. It was originally called the Ski Dog. The trivia question was, what parts was used from this gentleman's household items for use of the first snowmobile back in the early 40s? And it was actually a bed spring and an old Ford Model T engine that was used for the original snow machine. Recreational use Ski-Doo. Anyways, I thought that was kind of fun. There's more trivias to come, and when we do finally pull the answer for all the trivia questions, I hope you have a good chance of winning that 3-day archery hunt on the Rackstacker farm with myself. Now, what I've done for the past couple of years is done what's called snow index readings. I drive the snow machine up into my trails and I check the snow index depth about 10 different times on different multiple locations on my farm. That gives me a good ballpark of how much snow is still in the bush. Now, being the first week of March here, I've still got anywhere between 21 and 24 inches of snow still in the bush. I mean, that's really good for our water table, but it's still a long way to go before spring green up. So what I like to do is take a chainsaw when I'm out in the bush like this and cut down a couple trees to allow those deer something to chew on, as well as pack the trails with the sled. Makes it easier for them to travel. If you're on Facebook, be sure to like the Rackstacker Big Game Attractants page, where we're going to share with you a lot of soft track tip videos throughout the year on how to set up trail cameras, use our products in the field, how to hunt over those products using thermals, aerial maps, and pinch points so that you can be successful with those big games that you're looking for. Now, if you're in the Ontario area and you're interested in joining us on a Rackstacker field day, be sure to check us out at rackstacker.ca and drop us an email at whitetailexperts@rackstacker.ca if you have any questions. We'd love to have you here for a field day. That way you can tour the whole farm and see what we do as a manufacturer to bring you the highest quality products in the field. I'm the Rackstacker guy, and thanks for joining me.